Children, let's revise India's neighbors. So, India, as you know, has 29 states and 7 union territories, and India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, and our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives. And India has a strong geographical and historical links with our neighbors. Okay, so these are our neighboring countries, and I've already shown you on the map. Let us look at India and the world. Now, India is so centrally located. You can see, yes, it is connected with East Asia as well as western part of Asia. It is well connected. Okay, and the routes across the Indian Ocean. Where is the Indian Ocean? You can see Indian Ocean. Through that route, we are so well connected with countries of Europe and even countries in the eastern part of Asia. So we are so well connected. And you can see this ocean that we have a long coastline, okay, and the ocean to the south of India, that is why it is given as the name, because we have the longest coastline, so it has been named after a country as Indian Ocean. Children, you see a Deccan plateau or peninsula, you can say. It helps to establish close contact with West Asia. From here we can go to West Asia, to Europe, okay, and also contact with Africa. So it's closer to that. So we are so well connected. India is so strategically located, so centrally located in the world. Okay, and then in the east coast also, we can go to Southeast Asia from this side and also to East Asia. So we are well connected with the world. So let us recap, children. India and the world. Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. As I showed you, India is a southward extension of the Asian continent, and the Indian Ocean connects countries of Europe in the west and countries to the East Asia, and no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. That is why that ocean has been named after a country. It's called as Indian Ocean. Now, India has contacts with the world have continued through ages, and you can see how did we had contacts with them. We traded with all kinds of spices, muslin, the cloth, and other goods. It were taken from India to other countries, and even we also exchange ideas through architectural styles. We see domes and minarets in our country, which we have borrowed from the Greek culture. Okay, and it's not only that people came through the sea route, but even through the land routes also people came to India. We will be learning about this in the next chapter when we learn about the physical features. There are many passes across the mountains through which many travelers came in, and that helped also in the exchange of ideas. So it is not only to the sea route but also to the land route that many people came to India, and there were exchange of ideas. So India, as I'll give you a brief instruction, we have a great Indian civilization, and so far we have made so much of progress in the fields of agriculture, industry, technology, and we are becoming one of the most important economically we are developing, and soon we'll be one of the superpowers. Now, children, there are a few things as do you know from your chapter. So let us see. The southernmost point of Indian Union is Indira Point. It got submerged under the sea in 2004 during tsunami. Okay, so let us see where is the India Point. Actually, if we see only the mainland of India, okay, you can see here the mainland of India, this should be our southern point, but we are talking about the Union. Union means we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is this Indian Indira Point, which is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is the southernmost point of India. Okay, Let's look into the next. Do you know, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Now, where is Suez Canal? Let's look into this picture. You can see where is Suez Canal. Yes, this is the Mediterranean Sea, and this is the Red Sea, and here is Suez Canal. Now, earlier, when people had to come to India from Europe, they had to go all around Africa and reach India. But with the opening of the Suez Canal, they would just cross this Arabian Sea, get into the Red Sea, and through the Suez Canal, they would reach Europe. So you can see this entire kilometers is 19,800, but now it is only 7,200 miles when we can reach, or 11,000, sorry, 11,600, where we can reach Europe, reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Okay, so this is the help of the Suez Canal. Okay, so let us see what is the next one. So before 1947, there were two types of states in India. They were called as provinces and princely states. Now, what were provinces? They were directly ruled by Britishers who were appointed by the viceroy, and princely states were ruled by local rulers, okay, by nawabs and kings, and they acknowledged the sovereignty in return of local autonomy. That means they ruled, but they had to pay certain amount of taxes to the Britishers. Okay, so we had two types of states. One is the provinces, and other was the princely states. So these are the three do you know from your chapter. And with this, we end the chapter on India, size and location.